Hi, welcome back, everybody. I'm Deidre.
I'm a Darius.
We are in Nassau, Bahamas. This is our first stop on our cruise. We are so excited. We love going to John Watlings every single time we come here. They always have a new rum. We love doing the tasting. The pina coladas are top notch, okay?
Yes.
We usually come home with a bottle of rum.
I don't think we're gonna do that this time.
I don't know. We'll see what the day brings us.
Yeah.
Let's go have some fun. So, we're willy-nilly in it, like, flying by the seat of our pants. We know where we're going, but we don't have, like, a direct path to get there. So we're just gonna see what we can see along the way and try to remember how to get to John Watlings.
You got a favorite joke you like to tell everybody? Do you wanna?
Yeah.
You wanna share your beautiful joke?
So, if you shenan once, you'll shenan again. Back again. Our favorite spots in Nassau. I might take the tour again today. We haven't taken the tour in a couple years.
That's right. Oh, who knows? There might be a little bit of information that we didn't catch last time.
Yeah, might have some new information. They definitely have a new coffee cottage.
Yeah.
And we're definitely going to go get a pina colada.
Oh yeah, she's been thinking about that ever since we got on the ship. She was like, I can't wait for the pina
time
colada.
We go to Nassau. I'm super excited for a pina colada at John Watlings. Let's go.
Let's do this.
All right, we made it. We were going to take the tour, and then I was like, I really want that pina colada. Anyway, here it is. Pina colada. This is $12.
Yes. Sorry, everybody. It's a little hot outside.
Yeah. Anytime, I don't know if other people do this that live in Orlando, but anytime we go somewhere and it's more than like 20 or 30 bucks, we're always like, yeah, but at Disney, this would have been like 150. Anyway, all of this together with a nice tip for the bartender was $60. We got a rum sampling, a bottle of water, a pina colada, and because this is Darius's last day as a 22-year-old.
yeah, 22.
22. The rum bouillon, this is a $600 bottle of rum. So we got a shot of this also. And altogether, this was $60.
$60.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, let me hold it up so that we can see the rest of the shots. They come in like these clear plastic cups.
You get 4 shots per order, and it gives you this little pamphlet to tell you what the shots are.
Mm-hmm.
And the thing you do is that you taste it, feel the flavor profile, and then you add a little bit of water. And then you feel that flavor profile, and it really shows you what it's going to be like in a cocktail. because you're gonna remember in a cocktail you're gonna dilute it with a mixer and ice, and so it really tells you what flavors will be brought out by that water. I've waited a whole 6 months for this pina colada.
She said, I'm going to enjoy this.
Let's do it. Another great trip to John Watlings.
Yeah.
They've got a lot of tour groups coming through that they're doing tours for.
Mm-hmm.
It's a great time. If you've never taken the tour, take the tour and then have some drinks.
Yes, because if you try to have drinks first, you probably won't get to the tour.
They do give you little free samples of pina colada when you do the tour.
Yes.
What?
There is something. You can also bottle your own liquor.
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
do a little bottle of your own rum, and then you cap it and you wax it.
Yeah, and you take it home with you.
Yeah, it's a little souvenir.
No.
You still have yours.
Yeah, I do. Oop.
So take the tour, do the bottling experience, grab some drinks. They even have a little stand out here with like conch fritters.
Yeah. Now, unfortunately, we don't have the pricing of the bottling.
No, look on their website.
Yeah.
It'll be on there.
Yeah.
We've had a great trip to Nassau.
Mm-hmm.
We were disappointed though to see that the Pirate Museum. Remember last time we were here, they were like they were making a comeback.
Yeah.
And now they've got some maybe rodent infestation.
I'm gonna be honest. This is the first time I've ever seen a whole building get wrapped like that.
I mean, we've seen it for.
I seen it on ET.
Yeah. Hopefully they make a great comeback, and you can go to the Pirate Museum too. We're gonna head back to our ship, grab some lunch because it's free on the ship.
Exactly.
And we'll see you back there.
See, someone's got a will of mine, no. I'm talking real of mine, no, no. Something's got to kill a man, no, no, no. Yeah. So many. I'm talking so many ways. Few of us who really care. Everybody popping out of place. Life is temporary. One time for the one time. It ain't too many. You tell me. I'm saying no conform.
We made it back on board. We got some free food from the Lido buffet. There will be a nice shower and there will be a fat nap. Because tonight is the 80s rock and glow party.
So we gotta be up for that. Yeah. So how'd you like your time in the Bahamas?
Bahamas.
In Nassau.
Nassau was great.
Yeah.
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 And I like that we got to explore 2 new hotels that we've never been inside before.
True.
Yeah.
True. I think I like the first one though. The second one I still want to stay in as well. All right. I want to stay in the second one, but I like how the first one looks. That makes sense.
I just thought it was cool. Like every time we come here, we do something new, and then we go to John Watlings.
I know, right? And then so next year we was like, we're gonna do something different this time. And then John
I want
Watlings.
to go to the art museum next time we come to Nassau.
Okay, is that the one over there across from the church?
Yeah, it's got the white wall, and the first time we came by, it was painted all colorful.
That's
And then they
right.
painted it white.
That's right.
The big
Okay.
yellow building, yeah.
All right,
I want to
all
do
right.
that for sure. But yeah, there needs to be a shower and a nap had before dinner and the 80s rock and roll for sure.
All right. All right. Well, we'll see y'all soon.
We ate our lunch, we took our showers, we had a fat nap, we won a little bit in the casino, and now we're having dinner.
All right, we getting ready for Rock and Glow.
It's the 80s rock and glow.
Let's see that fit. All right, all
We got
right.
our light up tubes,
Hey.
and they go.
Ooh. I might take a couple extra ones.
Why?
Look at this here. Got the Lost Boys going on. Always gotta get that. Got the HHN vest. I feel like it fits.
Yeah.
And my natural,
Your natural curls.
beautiful curls.
Of course, yes.
Yeah.
Au natural.
Prince, better watch out.
What?
R.I.P. Yeah. I meant to cause you any sorrow. Never meant to cause you any pain. Yeah. I will never steal you from another. Okay. Alright, I'm good.
To your 80s rock and roll party, DJ, hit it! It's time to rock, it's time to glow. If you know it, let me hear you sing it. What's the song we're on? What the lead on to? Everybody from here, like you mean it, alright? Let's find out which side is the loudest tonight. Let's start with you. On this side, DJ, 3, 2, 1. Because I feel we're on a date tonight. Beat with pina. Everybody! I just met somebody. He's cute too. Oh yes, if you're having a good time, let me hear you say, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Because I think at the end of the day, girls just want to have fun. Take it away. Oh yeah, sing along. Let me hear it. Show me the rock side up in the air. Everybody, turn it up, DJ. The winner is... I think the winner is our air guitar solo! But just a small town girl. Yes.
Oh, there's somebody else? Oh, so they're together on the train. Okay.
I felt like that rock and glow went by fast.
Yeah, it did.
It's, I don't know, were we having too much fun or did it not last that long?
No, it was over half an hour. Like, we just had a lot of fun.
That was way too much fun. Where are we going to now?
We're gonna see if the club is happening.
All right, and if not, we're gonna head over to the casino, grab some water, and
oh yeah, I mean water.
yeah, you need water. You need some water. We're back in the room.
Yay!
Yeah.
That was a fun night.
It was. It was.
I'm very exhausted.
Yes.
And it's after midnight, which means it's Darius' birthday.
Woo. Big confetti.
Oh, tomorrow we go to Celebration Key for the first time ever.
And so we're celebrating my birthday at Celebration Key.
And if we recover enough from tonight, we're doing a bar crawl tomorrow. Today was so much fun in Nassau. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for our top supporters. If you liked the video, hit subscribe, ring the bell, comment down below, share with your friends, like the video, and we'll see you real soon.
Bye.